After updating iOS, is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, in recovery mode, or constantly restarting? Don't rush to perform a factory reset. In iTunes or Finder on your computer, Apple usually offers two options: update and restore. Update will attempt to reinstall the system and retain data, but if the update fails, restore may erase your device's content. If you want to try a simpler repair method first, you can use Gbyte iOS System Repair. Step 1. Search for Gbyte and download and install it on your computer from their official website. Step 2. Connect your iPhone with a data cable. Step 3. Select the system repair mode, follow the prompts to download the firmware, and then begin the repair process. Gbyte can help repair common iPhone system problems, such as being stuck on the Apple logo, in recovery mode, black screen, white screen, or experiencing a loop of restarts. The standard repair mode will try to retain your photos, messages, and other data. Note that the repair results will vary depending on the device's condition and the extent of system damage. If your device can be backed up, it is recommended to back up important data first. Don't let an iOS update affect your photos and important information. If you encounter an iPhone freezing issue, you can save this video first and try Gbyte if necessary.